Hello students, today we are going to discuss next topic, letter writing, business letters. This topic regarding business letters has been prescribed into your syllabus by Punjab University Chandigarh. So let us today discuss with this new topic. So first of all, I would like to tell you or discuss with you what actually a business letter means. Students, a business letter is a letter from one company to another or between such organizations like companies and their customers, clients, or other external parties. So, business letters are letters which are written by one company to another or between such organizations or customers or their clients or other external parties. The overall style of letter depends on the relationship between the parties concerned. So the overall style of a letter, it depends on the relationship between the parties concerned, means the party who is writing the letter and another party for whom the letter is being written. Business letters can have many types of content, means material. For example, to request direct information or action from another party, to order supplies from a supplier, to point out a mistake by the letter's recipient, or to reply directly to a request, to apologize for a wrong or to convey goodwill. So, business letters can be of many types, as we have discussed in this sentence that business letters can be regarding the request, can be regarding to request direct information or action from another party, or to order supplies from a supplier, to point out mistake by the letter's recipient, to reply directly to a request, or to apologize for a wrong. Apologize means to ask for forgiveness, maafi mangna, to apologize for a wrong or to convey goodwill. So these business letters can be of any type. A business letter is sometimes useful because it produces a permanent written record and may be taken more seriously by the recipient than other forms of communication. So, this form of communication, business letter, this is very useful because it produces a permanent written record and it may be taken more seriously by the recipient than other forms of communication. So, writing a business letter is good to communicate with another company or another um organization. So, this is the information or introduction to a business letter. Let us now discuss the qualities which a good business letter must contain in it. The qualities which are essential or important for a good business letter are collectively called the 8 C's of correspondence. 8 C's of correspondence. They are namely correctness, clearness, courtesy, conciseness, coherence, cheerfulness, character, and completeness. So these are the eight C's. These are eight qualities that begin with the letter C. The person who is writing a business letter must keep in mind all these qualities or all the eight C's in his mind while writing a business letter. All these qualities are contributory to one another. So, all these qualities are very important or essential while writing a good business letter. Let us now discuss all these C's all or the all the important or the essential qualities for writing a good letter. These are the inner qualities which are important for writing a good letter, good business letter. It refers to the quality of inner quality means it refers to the quality of language used and the presentation of a business letter. So these inner qualities which are important for writing a good business letter are: number 1, there is clear or the clearness. The language used in the business letter must be clear. It helps the receiver to understand the message immediately, easily, and clearly. Any ambiguity will lead to the misinterpretation of the message stated. So, the very first quality that is must or very important to write a good business letter is clearness of the letter. So, the language which is used to write a business letter, it must be clear, because only then the receiver can understand the message immediately, easily, and clearly. Any ambiguity means when someone is unclear about anything, will lead to the misinterpretation of the message stated. So, language of the letter must be very clear to understand it, the message clearly and easily and immediately. Next quality is simplicity. The language used in the business letter must be simple and easy. One must not write a business letter in difficult and fancy words. So the language should be very simple. It must not be it should not be difficult, and the person who is writing a business letter should not use fancy words. He should use very simple language that is easy to understand. Next is concise or the conciseness. The message written in the letter must be concise and to the point. Concise means brief. So the message written in the business letter, it must be very brief and to the point. Next is concrete. The message that is written must be concrete and specific, means it should be very precise, compact, and it should be very specific. By using concrete language, a reader will have a clear picture of the message. So, language or the message in the letter must be concrete. Next quality is accuracy. One must always check for the accuracy of the business letter. Accuracy means correctness. So, the business letter should be accurate. Accuracy generally means no error in grammar, spelling, punctuation, etc. Correct personnel should be targeted for communication. So, the business letter should be accurate in grammar, spelling, and punctuation. The sixth quality is coherent. Coherent means the letter should be logical. The language used in the business letter must be coherent, means it should be logical, based on logic. The message must be in a logical way for the clear understanding of the message. The flow of the message must be consistent. Consistent means proper, or the person who is writing a business letter should use appropriate words while writing the letter. Next, there is completeness. The seventh quality is completeness. One must write a complete message. It helps the reader to know about the issue and the solution to be taken. It should provide all the necessary information. One must also keep in mind that the message should be concise and short, along with the complete details. So, business letter should be concise, it should be brief and short, but it should contain complete details regarding the message which is conveyed towards another company or organization. Next, there is the quality of relevance. The letter should only contain important information. Relevance, appropriateness. Relevance means appropriateness, means the letter should only contain important information. Irrelevant information should not be included and avoided in any business communication. So, a person who is writing a business letter, he or she should avoid using irrelevant information while writing a business letter. Next, there is courteousness. The language used in the business letter must be courteous. A writer must always use open, friendly, and honest wording in his or her letter. It does not mean that one must use slang and abusive words. One must always add the words like please, thank you, etc. So, the language used in the business letter must be courteous, means a person while writing a business letter must use such words like please and thank you, which make the letter pleasing. Last but not least, there is the quality regarding neatness. A business letter must be neatly typed or handwritten, means it should be neatly typed or handwritten. Proper spacing, indentation, and use of paragraph should be used. So, in order to keep neatness in a business letter, one must keep in his mind proper spacing, indentation, and use of paragraph so that his or her business letter should be very neat and clean. So, students, we have discussed all the qualities that are essential or important for writing a good business letter. We have discussed the C's or the principles of a business letter like clear, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete, and courteous. So, while writing a good business letter, a person should keep in his mind all these qualities. So, today we have discussed what a good business letter means and the qualities which are essential to write a good business letter. So, learn all these qualities students, and tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you very much.